Hi, this is my Mac Pro 2008 and dual Xeon 8 core and with 12 gigs of RAM. Um, I take out all my cards, VGA cards and two VGA cards. This is ATI and NVIDIA, and then this is my Pro Tools HD Excel core card and Excel card. And then I just remove my batteries, this, and I press my SMI button. Did you see that white button? No, white ugly button that's with reset I think label. So hopefully this can be fixing my black screen MacPro my black screen Apple Mac Pro. Yeah, quite common problem, but I hope everything is okay. But I checked my RAM, it's fine. On my RAM it's fine, but maybe there is one slot kind like error. I don't know. I put to hard drive, and yeah, hopefully if you try to find a Mac Pro batteries and how to remove it, it's just a simple way to do it. Just remove your VGA card and other card, and then you can just take it out and then press the button like 5 seconds. That's what they say in Apple website. And then I also press the SMI reset button there. Okay, have fun. Hopefully it's not exhausted Mac Pro now. Okay.